Armadillos are great. Armadillos are cool. Put your seatbelt on. Putting my seatbelt on? I'm not. Rebel. Seatbelt so we can be safe. Key door. Armadillo! Wow! Wow! Cute armadillo, Dad. Cute armadillo. There's another one! You're funny. I'll see one. Woo! Nematode. Oh, look at nematode. Oh, look at that. I was safe because of my seatbelt. Maybe I should put mine on. Here, take your license, Dad.
Yeah, well, I just need to picture the crossroads.
What?
The crossroads.
Turn around, Dad. Focus on the road. Oh, look, a gremlin. Oh, wait, that's just Nick Piatti.
Yeah.
Just kidding, that's a jokester. That was my cousin. Our foreign cousin from Africa. In fact, we're on a road trip visiting him now. Woo! Woo! Road trip. Road trip. Anyways, Dad, what's its first law of motion? An object in motion stays in motion. An object at rest stays at rest. Unless acted upon by an outside force. Wow, Dad, you're smart. Yeah. It helps use your noggin. What happens if the so hard? Creepy. Dad, chipmunk! Oh, goodness! Ah! Maybe I should have clicked the seatbelt. It's a fashion statement. Because I'm not such a good sweet. So we can be safe. Dad, would you like me to go get you a snack from the back? Alright. Son, you're using inertia! Am I really? Uh-huh. Dad, there's no more Doritos! Get some tuna fish! And some bread of moles! I have trout! I want some sunfish. Daddy, drink your coffee. I'm done with that. Don't eat your mints! Are these good? Wow, how long has it been since we started a road trip? A while, Dad. More like 3 hours. Minutes.
It's only been 3 minutes. Are you kidding?
Because we only got through one song. Dad, is that Sasquatch? Oh, goodness!
What? Keep going twice.
Move, you Sasquatch! You showed him, Dad. Oh, yes, I did. Right on! Dad, you think you're cool. I am a cool cat. Dad, do the money roll. Just like my father taught me. Let's do the Ingrid. Louise. Louise. Fail. Golly gee. Scuba Steve.
Maybe I should be wearing that seatbelt.
That seatbelt is the right thing to do.
Mhm. Dad, my leg stuff. Dad, my leg.
Again?
Yes. Dad, pull the thing.
Golly gee. Darlene. I thought it was a boy. Isn't this all rude? Very unsafe.
Next time,
It's a real one.
next time, wear your seatbelt. Oh, you're falling your butt. Ouch. Keep driving, Dad.
Whoop.
Soon we'll get to Texas. Or Africa.